Do you want to know how top brands track user behavior, optimize conversions, and make smarter decisions using real-time data? Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, the place where tech meets clarity. In today's video, we are diving into Adobe Analytics, one of the most powerful digital analytics platforms out there. So we will give you a quick overview of what it does, who it's for, and how it stacks up against tools like Google Analytics 4. So if you're ready to go beyond basic metrics and unlock serious insights, you are in the right place. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website and then go to the product section. Go to the Data and Analytics and click the Adobe Analytics. For you to access the platform, I want you to click the Get Started. This will forward you to the submission page. Provide all the information needed, and if your request for the free trial has been approved, one of the sales team will contact you. If in case your request for the free trial access has not been approved, don't worry. We got you. We can still learn so much about Adobe Analytics by going to the main page. As you can see on the top corner, it offers the features, which we are going to happily discuss with you. Right? Now, you may notice that it offers the features and integrations. This gives a broad overview of Adobe's analytics capabilities. Alright? So we're going to go to the Customer Journey Analytics. With this in mind, this is going to be Adobe's advanced cross-channel analytics, offering combined data from multiple sources like web, mobile, CRM, offline into a unified customer view. You can use drag and drop analysis in Analysis Workspace to explore the full journey. You can have leverage attribution modeling, pathing analysis, and segmentation across channels, which is kind of ideal for marketers and analysts who want 360-degree customer insights. All right. Now we're going to go to the next feature, which is the web and mobile analytics. Now this focuses on tracking and analyzing user behavior on websites and mobile apps, including page views, clicks and bounces, and on time on site, device and browser reports for mobile app tracking, app launches, screen views, gestures, geolocation, and engagement metrics. It helps you understand how users interact with digital properties. And then there is going to be the product analytics. Now, this is about understanding how customers interact with your products, especially in the commerce of a SaaS. Product views, add to cart rates, purchases, conversion funnels. You have a feature usage tracking for SaaS or digital platforms, identifying drop off points and conversion barriers, which is kind of useful for product managers and e-commerce teams optimizing offerings. All right. And then there is going to be the content and analytics. Now this tracks how users engage with content such as articles, videos, blog posts, or even images. You also have an engagement metrics like scroll depth, video completion, time on content, performance comparisons between different content types or campaigns, which is crucial for content strategies and publishers wanting to improve relevance and, of course, the ROI. And then there is going to be the all integrations. Okay, so as you may notice that with Adobe Analytics, you have a comprehensive list of every supported integration, including out-of-the-box connectors, APIs and SDKs, partner integrations, and third-party tools, which is useful when planning your MarTech ecosystem or data pipeline setup. And then we're going to go to the use cases, as you can see. Okay, so let's go to one of the use cases here in Adobe Analytics, which is going to be informing audience segmentation. Alright? With this in mind, this uses data to divide users into meaningful groups based on behaviors, demographics, or preferences. You can create personalized marketing campaigns, tailor experiences to different customer types. For example, you can segment users who abandon carts, frequent buyers, or visitors from a specific region. And then there is going to be the pinpoint friction in customer journeys. Okay? So Adobe Analytics can highlight where users struggle or drop off within the customer journey because it improves the user experience, because you can optimize funnels and reduce abandonment. For example, you can identify that users leave the site on the payment page due to form errors or slow loading. And then there's going to be the identify actions leading to conversions. Because here in Adobe Analytics, you can track the specific user behaviors or content interactions that most often result in a purchase or goal completion. How? Because it would help you understand what works. You can reinforce effective paths. Discover that users who watch a demo video are thrice more likely to convert. And then there is going to be the predict and mitigate churn. Now, it uses predictive analytics to foresee which users are likely to stop engaging or leave, like churn. You can take action before losing users. Improve retention strategies, because for one, you can flag users who haven't logged in for 7 days and haven't responded to previous campaigns. And then there's going to be the analyze website effectiveness. It evaluates how well your site performs in helping users achieve goals, engage, or convert. Because for one, it improves site structure, speed, and content. You can understand visitor flow and bounce rates so that you can compare landing page performance to see which has the best engagement. And then there is going to be the investigate product experience. Now, it shows you how users interact with products online, like software tools, e-commerce items, or digital content, so that you can find issues in product usage, improve satisfaction and usability, and of course, you can track how often users interact with a save feature and where they get stuck. And then there is the understand feature effectiveness. You can analyze the use and impact of specific features in your product or site. Because with Adobe Analytics, you can evaluate ROI of features, guide product development. For example, seeing that only 5% of users use the compare items feature, maybe it's hard to find or not useful. And then of course, with that being said, if you wanted to get more insights about Adobe Analytics in general, go to the resources. You have the product documentation, support, and partners. If you go to the product documentation, it would give you all these materials that you can read. It's free, all right? Absolutely at no cost. You can browse analytics by topic. You have the webinar, on-demand videos, blogs. You just have to set up your profile right here, okay? And then with that being said, and that's a wrap on our dive into Adobe Analytics. So if you're serious about data-driven decision making and have the resources to invest, Adobe Analytics is absolutely a powerhouse. But for smaller teams or those just starting out, it might feel overwhelming at first. Let us know in the comments. Have you used Adobe Analytics? How does it compare to tools like Google Analytics 4 or Mixpanel in your experience? We'd love to hear from you. And again, if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into digital marketing and analytics tool. Tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.